Hi guys, Ken Stone here, bringing you the next in the series of this printer review. I finally had that last print done, and we're going to work on the pen holder right now. So I'm going to record that. I got it loaded onto the flash drive here for a mini memory card, and we're going to load it into the machine and get the print going. As far as I know, it's all ready to go. The last one we just printed was this one. As far as the remote holder, all pretty good. I had ran out of white and switched over to blue, so it came out pretty good. I did have to weld that edge again. It was loose. I didn't edit the file. It's just easy to just heat that up a little bit and done. So all my remote holders are done now, so I'm good there. So I'm gonna start working on the pen holders. I did come up with a couple other ideas, but we'll save those for later. So we'll get it going. Get things set here, and we will get it going. So with the magic of editing, I will fast forward through this part, and we'll do a summary afterwards. As far as I know, all the measurements are good. Um, we should be good to go on this one. So cross my fingers. Make sure I learn something here. Um, okay, let's just select the. Oops, so get it all set, and I did change. Push the button. Go from key. Oops, you're not seeing it. Right from here. Pen holder. Print. Nice. Okay. Go back over. Get a nice blueprints this time. I might have to order more white. I'm out of white. I found out how to transfer from. I up when you're doing a print, you can hit pause, and you can change the filament and change color right in the middle of a print or wherever you want. So that's pretty neat to know. I learned that new today. So I can change colors in the middle of a print. I like it. I like learning something new. I hope you guys like learning something new every day too. So, all right, I'll fast forward through this part. Okay, looks like we're done here with the magic of fast editing here. It brings us down to this. This is the pen holder. Well, I'm thinking about this. I'm going to start a new one. And I have two of these, so this one took a long time to print. Okay, so I'm going to let that run. Um, so let's see. Let's summarize here. So this is the pen holder we just did. This was that biggest pen that we had. Fits in there perfectly. Yep. I'm gonna get two of these going. It's my tool, screwdriver tool. That fits in there. So, oops, works good. So I'm gonna print another one of those tonight. That was a great. The second time around worked perfect. No problems with this one. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe, share. Um, hopefully we're gonna learn something new today. I'll see you next time.